Guys, stop. Stop.
I don't know what it did. And I pressed it and turned on.
Guys, we don't know what this stuff does, so don't touch anything. I don't know what that's for, man. Stop, Eli. No, that's Grandpa's.
It looks like a camera.
I think so.
It said something about Ring. Should we call Jason?
I'll call him.
Google what Ring is. Oh, video doorbell.
Oh, there. Can you guys hear us?
Yeah.
Oh, gosh. Yes.
I forgot to hit the voice thing. It's me and Linda. You can't. Can you see us?
No, they can hear us.
Oh, my boys just pushed the button. We're like, I don't know what this is.
I'm sure
That's what we figured. Do you know what it is?
real good.
It's so funny because it's recording too, so I can show this to you later.
Excellent. That's
Yeah.